Hello friends, today we have some new Jurassic World Captivz goodies from our friends over at Toy Monster. We have some new Chaos Theory slime eggs, and we have the new Jurassic Captivz Epic Battles Rumble Cage. And you can find these toys at Walmart. So here we have the Captivz Rumble Cage. You guys will see in my YouTube shorts, I unboxed one of their festive fugglers. They also have some water art crafts kits. I posted that on Instagram. And then they have the Chaos Theory Captivz slime eggs. So these are just some holiday wish list ideas. And you guys have seen me unbox some of these eggs before on my channel. So I'm so excited to unbox a few more. I will make a Jurassic Captivz playlist and you guys will have my egg unboxings in there and this as well. But we are not going to wait for shorts for these. We'll open both of these today as well as this. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, let's start with the blue one. Sorry for the glare, you guys. Always my light is glaring on the packaging. This has blue slime inside and a collector's card. It says Captivz Plated Dino. I like how this has like an iridescent color. We have the Pop and Lock Plated Dinos, Reveal and Battle. Okay, I got the zipper, guys. Let's see. Well, that's one way to open it. Okay, so we've got our blue egg. They have a really nice texture on the outside. All right, let's open this and see what we have. Okay, these are just like the ones I've previously opened, but this feels a little bit different. And we've got our slime here. And here we have our Pop and Lock Plated Dino. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and tear into this. What do we have here? Oh, wow. I have never seen anything like this one. This is my first time opening one of these. It's almost like a platinum look. I'm going to go ahead and put this together and then we'll check out our card. And here we have the Tyrannosaurs. Look at his card. He does look fierce, doesn't he? It's also holographic like the rest of their cards. That's so cool. We've got our Pop and Lock dinos. We're going to get that right into place. We've got his head on. Look at that. And then let's get his tail on. Wow, look at that. This is so sleek. I hope it's showing up well on camera. He almost looks like a chrome finish, but it still has all of the great details of our Captivz dinos. You can see the ridges here, the curve on his tail. This is really neat. They do such a great job with their details. That's so cool for a collectible. We'll look at some of the other ones we can get. So I imagine in person, these look so much better because the color and how it shines doesn't really come through on paper than seeing them in real life. These are really nice, really shiny, super awesome to collect. Let's check out the slime. Whoa. Look at this slime. Sticky as usual. Let's put this into our egg. There we go. The Pop and Lock Plated Dinos. I'm gonna have to be on the lookout for more of those. These are really neat. And here we have the Chaos Theory Captivz Build and Battle Dinos. And these are themed after the animated series over on Netflix. So let's go ahead and open this one. Okay, we got that one this time. Here we go. It's just a regular sand-looking brown egg. Okay, this one seemed a little bit tougher to open than the last one. Okay, what do we have in here? We have our dino in here. Wild animal inside. Look out, guys. And we've got some slime. I figured I'd do the slime first because my hands are already sticky from the last one. And then I can clean my hands off and do our dino. Okay, so we have the same blue slime. So we're gonna go ahead and set that aside. All right, let's see what we have in here. I haven't opened any of these before, and I like the way the cards feel. Pretty neat. Here's the back of it. And we have the Beckle-Spinax dinosaur. And I'm going to go ahead and put that together. I just want to show you guys the card. So let's see. Look at this. I like the color on it so far. So we'll get the head in there. Okay, we pop the head in. Now let's get the tail. The tail was curved, so I've got it on right now. I knew that didn't look right at first. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at this. We've got the details on the body. They do a great job with that. I know I said that with the last one, but it's pretty good. And look at the paint job they've got here on his back and the two-tone colors on his face. We have the silver Jurassic World medallion right there in the middle, and then there's some other collectible details right there. Oh, look at those little paws. Haha. Look at his feet. Or claws, I should say. That is really nice. There you go, guys. There's no way I'm going to try and pronounce them all. I'll just show you guys what else we can reveal here in the next few collectibles. The Tyrannosaurus Rex, Bumpy, the Pyroraptor. Oh wow, and there's so many more here on the back. Here you go, guys. So there is one rare to find. Awesome, and you can go ahead and scan that to find out more or visit Captivz.com. So what everybody has been waiting for is our rumble cage. So I think the lights flash, lights rumble roar. There you go. It has lights and sounds. It says pop and lock, supersized T-Rex inside. Cool. Contain the T-Rex. I didn't realize we get a dino in here. It's not like unboxing the eggs, but you get like a supersized pop and lock dinosaur. You get the cage, prehistoric sand, a collectible card, and customizing signage. So it looks like we'll get some signs to put on our cage here. So this is what it's hopefully going to look like when we're all done. Oh, and here's everything that we're about to unbox. So you can buy the fence separate and then hook it up to the fence to make a complete playset. That's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and open this. We're back and we've got our cage unboxed, and we also have our dino that we need to put together here in the bag. And we have some prehistoric sand. Now I've unboxed the sand before and some of my other Captivz eggs, so I'm assuming it's the same thing, but we'll go ahead and open it just so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's definitely the same as before. I'm not going to take it all out. I really do like this. It's like kinetic sand or magic sand. It's kind of sticky and crumbly, but then like fun to play with at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and stick that back in here and save it for later. So it said we have a large T-Rex in here, and it looks like we have to put him all together. Right off the bat, I see our signs for our cage. Yeah, that looks like a pretty good caution sign. You're going to want to be careful where you walk around this cage. And then we've got another one. Don't feed the dinosaurs. That's also a good idea. Tyrannosaurus Rex spotted in the area. So here's our tail. Some of these are easy to pop into place and some take a little bit more strength. And we're going to do the head. All right, let's take a look at this guy. Look at those feet, his little hands. He's also got a silver medallion. And he's got his jaws open, ready for his prey. You guys want to take a good look there. Look at that fierce face. We've got two-toned green paint and black stripes for details here. You can see a little bit of his ribs. And that curved tail, that's really neat. Let's do a size comparison. So when they say you've got a super sized T-Rex, and this is what you would normally get in a Captivz egg. So you can see the difference in size here. Okay, let's check this out. Wow, that's awesome. So it's got a few different sounds, so we'll keep pressing it. They weren't playing when they said rumble cage. That's so cool. Okay, so I think we cycled through all the sounds. So what was that, about 3 different sounds? I'll have to read the box. And you've got the Jurassic World medallion right here on the outside. And this insert right here can come out if you want, and then you can pose your T-Rex in here. You can put him in the cage and have his head kind of sticking out. And I think over here is where we can place our signs. Let's go ahead and get him inside. That's really cool. Sorry for the weird angle, friends. My camera died, so I had to get another device. I wanted to go ahead and show you the card that we got. Here is a T-Rex collectible card with all his stats. And then there's another piece to the cage that I did not see that we can go ahead, and I think it sticks right here. So now we've got a visual of the T-Rex here. We've got the other screen right there that really illuminates whenever you press the button. And then of course you can see he's in there. And we've got the sign, and then of course you can change them out. So that's a really neat option to have. This is great. It's a really cool little cage. Again, you can find all of these items at Walmart. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you're not subscribed, please remember to do so you can be on the lookout for our next video. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Bye-bye.